Welcome back to the More Stuff Coin Collection channel. I'm your host MCC. Around half a year ago, I discussed the 2023 1-ounce Swan colored silver coin and made some predictions about this year's Swan coin releases. I forecasted 25,000 1-ounce bullion silver coins, 2,500 1-ounce proof silver coins, and 500 5-ounce proof high relief coins. These predictions have come true with the expected maximum mintage. Today, I'm excited to present the Australia Swan 1-ounce proof coin. This marks the 7th design since the Swan series began in 2017. Each year brings a fresh look, and this time, Alicia had taken the artistic reins, offering a unique perspective by portraying a single swan from its back. While I couldn't secure the 5-ounce coin, I did acquire the 1-ounce proof silver coin. It has a maximum mintage of 2,500, higher than the 1,500 maximum for the colored coin of the same size. Surprisingly, it's slightly more expensive than the colored version, despite both coins undergoing additional minting techniques, the coloring treatment and proof treatment. You may wonder why the proof version costs more. Now let's examine the obverse of all three 1-ounce coins more closely. The colored coin retains its bullion appearance on the obverse, except for the added color on its reverse. In contrast, the proof coin distinguishes itself with its reflective mirror-like finish. Puzzle solved. Now let's unbox the Swan. It comes in the same shipper and a box style as a colored coin. On the reverse, you will find the inscription, the 1-ounce 9999 Australia Silver Swan. The designer's initials, H, are on the left, submerged in water's surface. The purse mint mark P is on the right, above the water. On the obverse features the classic Queen Elizabeth II memorial, consistent with all the coins released this year. The elegant design is truly admirable. I'm quite optimistic about its future value. Historically, Swan numismatic coins, including the 2,500 1-ounce proof and the 500 5-ounce high relief proof, have consistently sold out since the series began in 2017. As per the Mint's official statistics, the proof coins limit of 1 per household compared to 2 per household for other coins underscores its desirability. And that concludes this year's Swan silver coin releases. Stay tuned to see if they continue the series with King Charles III portraits in 2024. As we wrap up, I hope you found the episode informative and enjoyed the insights. Until next time, happy collecting.